Okay guys, I am making a different YouTube video different than I usually make. Usually I do singing or sign language. This one I'm going to make a laughing one. I hope you guys laugh at least. It has to do with this app called Zello. It's a really cool app. It's a walkie-talkie. That's pretty much it, basically it. But in this channel that I have, it's my fiance's. And I'm going to be having some fun in it. So hopefully you enjoy.
That's what I thought. Bumblebee is such a sweetheart to fly. Sissy the queen.
Oh shit!
Sissy, it's okay. I'm here.
Oh my gosh, I did not know I had to fart that hard and loud.
I checked my Facebook, honey.
And
Oh shit!
dang, Sissy, you okay? Are you okay? Sissy, you okay?
She got the shits. What, babe?
Nope, I'm not okay, Elsa. Oh shit again!
Really, since you're gonna do that shit, come on now.
Hey, she can't help it.
Neither can you, Chris. Hey, cat, swallow me for a minute. Nice, Sissy, it's okay.
Hang on, wait! Oh shitty! That one actually hurt!
I think she needed to go get a tumor out of her ass.
Yeah, I think so too, Chris. It sounds like she needs a diaper change after that one, Christopher. I think you need to change it and make a fat wipe on that one.
No, she need to go to the doctor and pull her fucking shit out and she can't fart again.
Oh shitty tootie!
Ooh, Christopher, I think you need to wipe her after that one. Baby.
So you guys, this is pretty funny. Oh shit! That one actually hurt. I think something came out with that one.
You crazy.
Wow. Are you okay tonight? I'm kind of getting worried. I think my baby is too. Apparently he doesn't care about leaving me a message on Facebook Messenger. Hate to tell you, Chris, but Cat sounds a lot more like that than yours do, brother.
Wow.
funny. And I think a lot came out on that one. Oh shit.
Okay, baby. I know you're making a YouTube video. I think your YouTube video's done.
Oh, sorry, you saw part of it last night, and it was between me, Chris, mine.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching. This was the most fun I had making a YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed this funny farting sound on Zello. Thanks.